Hi everybody, Laura here from Mama Elephant. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to introduce the final products from the October release. Today we're featuring Deliver Winter Joy. This is a fabulous holiday themed stamp set that coordinates with the Deliver by Truck stamp set. So you can put all these little fillers in the pickup truck and it'll give you a holiday themed for your pickup truck. And that's a great little addition to give you more mileage. And then we also have the Holiday Happiness Creative Cuts, 2 word dies. I die cut them to show you what they look like. Wishing you holiday happiness. This is kind of unique. I did white cardstock on some dark green. And then we have Sending Holiday Cheer. I did bright red cardstock on a white shadow backer. But you see how the letters are cut out? So it kind of gives you that outline effect. And it's just 2 die cuts. Easy peasy for a fun, unique look on a word die. Okay, I'm going to start by stamping some of the images in the Deliver Winter Joy along with the pickup truck from the Deliver by Truck. So I just chose the Christmas tree and then this cute little bear that is in a wreath. And now I don't think he is really meant to be driving a pickup truck, but I thought it looked really cute. And it's Mama Elephant. Anything goes for the holidays. Okay, so yesterday I did a bright red pickup. And I probably should have saved the red for today because the nice bright red pickup always looks classic with a big old tree, big old green tree in the background. But I had already done a red truck and I wanted to show a little versatility. So I chose to do kind of a light aqua, little salvage patina for the pickup. We actually have one of my son's good friends who just got his license. His dad bought him an old vintage, I think it's a Chevy pickup truck. It's an old beater, but it's like, you know how vintage is cool these days? And it is exactly this color. And it looks so cool when he's driving down the road. I know he's feeling it too. He's feeling cool and he's looking cool. Okay, so I have my marker caps there, just some simple coloring. I'm no Copic magician. I call myself the redneck Copic colorer. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Okay, so then we'll move on to the Christmas tree. I went kind of lighter on the tree. Since it's Mama Elephant, I always keep it in the lighter tones. I just feel like Mama Elephant lends itself to light, airy, happy vibes. But you could definitely go more realistic if you want to go more evergreen into the dark greens. But here I have YG01, YG05, and YG07. I actually took a little bit of time today and refilled a few of my Copic markers. That is one thing I never, ever want to take the time to do is Copic marker maintenance. I can hardly even say it because that's how much I hate doing it. But I'll tell you what, there's nothing better than coloring with a nice juicy Copic marker, and it just blends like butter. And there's nothing worse than trying to color with a dry Copic. That'll just chap your khakis. Okay, using the coordinating creative cuts for the Deliver Winter Joy and also the Deliver by Truck. Take these off camera, run it through my die cutting machine. Another very simple card, but you know, when images are this cute, you don't need to overdo it. Less is more, especially for the holidays. And I just love, I mean, you could put anything in that pickup truck and I'm going to love it. Okay, for the background, I'm going to do something similar that I did yesterday. I'm going to blend a little grounding to put my pickup truck. Again, I believe this is Hickory Smoke, Distress Ink. Doing a little bit, I masked off with some masking tape on a panel of white cardstock. This time I'm doing, what do you call it? A portrait style, a vertical card. Yesterday I did a landscape. I think the truck probably fits better on a landscape style card, but if you're going to incorporate the Holiday Happiness creative cuts, those sentiment word dies, I think those probably lend themselves better to a portrait style card because you need some room, some vertical room. And now for the background, I'm just blending again like I did yesterday, a little salvage patina just around the edges, keeping the center of the panel mostly white. I love this salvage patina oxide ink. And then to add just a little bit of darkness, I pulled out Mermaid Lagoon. Mermaid Lagoon gives it a little more vibrancy, a little bit more depth. The two work hand in hand, Mermaid Lagoon and Salvage Patina. Great combination. If you wanted to amp this up one more level for the holidays, you could add some flicking of white ink for snow, or if you have a stencil, you could do some of that paste and add little snowflakes in the back. That'd be fun. Since this is a holiday themed card, but I kept it very, very simple. So I'm popping up my blended panel on a white card base. I trimmed it quite a bit smaller so you have that nice white border around the edge. And then as well, the pickup truck and all the accessories and the word die sending holiday cheer, they've all got foam tape. We're popping everything up because dimension is life. Sending holiday cheer. I showed this one before. I just die cut it with white cardstock and then the word die out of red, and it automatically cuts that outline of the words so you get it all in one. It's a really unique look, that sending holiday cheer in white with the outline in red and then the white shadow backer, popping in the tree, kind of put it on an angle like it barely fits in the truck, and then you got that cute bear hanging out the pickup with a wreath around him. Forget about it. It's so cute. Hope you enjoyed this video. Everything that I shared today will be available on October 15th over at Mama Elephant. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.